Hi, Leather Art by Lisa here. Would you like to know how I make the edges of my leather straps, belts, and bracelets smooth? Then keep watching this video because I'm going to show you how. In this video, I'm using my leather eye patch template to hand cut an eye patch and eye patch straps. This is one of my designs, and you can download this template on my website and in my shop on Etsy if you want to make one for yourself. Links will be in the description. Once all the template pieces are cut, I use a number 1 beveler to bevel the edges. If you don't have a number 1 beveler, then use a number 2 or a number 3. I wet the edges of the beveled straps with water before I run them through my father's vintage grinder that I converted into my leather sander and burnisher. I have 3 different sanding sleeves on this grinder. Each is a different grit of sandpaper. I run the edges of my leather straps and eye patch through each grit, beginning with the most coarse and ending with the most fine. You can view the video on how I converted my father's vintage grinder into my leather sander and burnisher right here. To make my leather edges even smoother, I use a rotary drill equipped with a sanding stone. I picked this setup on Amazon and I use it all the time. I love this set. For the full eye patch video tutorial, please check out this video right here. Next, I burnish the edges with a wooden burnishing tool that I have installed on the other side of my dad's vintage grinder. And I'm using Toco Pro. This is my all-time favorite burnishing gum. I have tried many in the 20 years I've been working with leather, and this is the one that I go to every single time. I highly recommend it. I follow that up with my rotary drill, but this time it's equipped with a small wooden burnishing attachment. I'll put the link to these rotary attachments in the video's description, along with the tools and materials needed to make your leather edges smooth too. This is the eye patch completed, with the edges all finished, nice and smooth. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you can find the template and the PDF instructions on my website. I'll put the links in the video description. For more information, you can go to www.lisacantalupo.com and sexyskins.etsy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. For more DIY leather crafting tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell to be notified when new videos are released. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.